Welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making shrimp fried rice. In a wok, you want to go ahead and preheat it on a medium heat and add in some olive oil. Once your oil is heated, add in some shrimp and season with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to cook this shrimp for about 1.5 minutes, flipping on each side in between the time. Perfect texture, perfect color, fully cooked. Once your shrimp are done cooking, remove your shrimp from your wok. Turn your heat down slightly, and in that same pan with those seasonings and flavor, go ahead and scramble 1 egg. Next, we're going to add in frozen vegetables. This is optional, but I choose to do this to add more flavor and color. Saute the vegetables until they're softened and heated. Once your vegetables are soft and heated, go ahead and add in your cooled, cooked parboiled rice. The key for shrimp fried rice and different rice dishes is parboiled rice. It's so perfect, it comes out the perfect texture. I am going to go ahead and fry my rice for 2 to 3 minutes first. Now we're going to season our fried rice. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box. I'm adding in seasonings and some soy sauce, of course, for more flavor and color. Salt and pepper to taste, and of course some fresh green scallions. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter, and you want to toss in that butter with the fried rice to help heat the butter and melt it, and mix that in very well and let it fry for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Be sure to make sure your rice isn't sticking at the bottom of your pan. Next, I'm going to add in my shrimp. Toss that in. So easy, so simple. I paired mine with lobster. If you decide to make this, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.